This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. How to create the database? Create database name. Okay. Let us create one database. create database. Database name is sample will take. How to execute this now? You have to select all this content, then click on execute button. See, command completed successfully. A database by the name sample is created. Just open this database folder. Here, sample1 is there. Now, without selecting this, one more method I will show how to create a database. Just you write create database. Some database name is anything you can take. What to do now? Just put a semicolon. Then no need to select the content. Just click on execute button. See, just refresh this database folder. New database by the name honey is added. Is it clear, ma everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? In this both ways we can create a database. Okay. So creating a database. What is the syntax?
Create database name.
Create, B should be capital. Database, database name. The next, then click on execute button. Execute icon or button, anything. What is the next method? Create, or you can use this another method. Here what we need to do, we need to select all the text. But in another method, create database, database name, semicolon. Then click on execute button.
Ma'am, please mention that before then click on execution. First syntax. First select total syntax.
What here I should mention?
Yes.
Okay,
Otherwise,
okay. Select the complete create command. Is it clear? Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Then click on execute button. Now drop the database. What is the meaning of drop the database? Deleting the database. Yes or no? Just remove the create. Here you write drop database name. If you are placing a semicolon, no need to select the command. If you are removing the semicolon, we need to select. Then next, what we need to do? Click on execute button. Command completed successfully. Just refresh the databases folder. See here, honey database is deleted. Yes or no?
Yes.
Once again we'll delete sample1 database. Here we'll keep the semicolon. Just execute this command. So in either way you can do, whichever is easy for you, you can follow the method. Just refresh this databases folder. See, sample1 database is deleted. This is about drop command. Syntax. Drop database name. Okay. Here we need to select complete drop command. Okay. Then click on execute. Or drop another method. Syntax. Drop database name. Put a semicolon here. Then click on execute button. Okay. Next we will see how to create tables. Just click on this tables icon, right click, new table. Here what will give the column name here? ID. What is the data type for ID? Any data type you can give, numeric. Allow nulls. What is the meaning of null? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of null?
No value, madam.
Yeah, what?
No
Null.
value.
No value. Yeah, very good. No value. Allow nulls means don't allow nulls. The next field is name. Name is of char type. Don't allow nulls. Means user must enter the ID name. The next branch. So branches of character type. Don't allow nulls. Here the next age. Age is of int type. Numeric
Zero.
type. Don't allow nulls. Next email ID. How many number of columns we want, we can add. email ID. Email ID is of which data type? N varchar 50. Okay, what is the difference between N char and N varchar? Can anyone explain me, or should I explain? See, actually N varchar means, see here, we gave N char 10. What does it mean? The size of the string should
Number
be
of characters
10
10.
bits. Number of characters. Yeah, very good. Number of characters, it accepts 10. Suppose student name is of only 4 characters. Then what will happen? Remaining 6 character gets wasted. Yes or no? 6 character memory. But in
That's
case
right.
of n varchar, varchar, what it happens means, how much data we give, that much memory is utilized. So here memory is not wasted by using n varchar. Is it clear, ma? The difference between
Yes,
n char and n varchar. Then after
yes.
writing these columns, what we need to do? Just click here and save table. We can rename this table as student. Then click OK. Just
Madam,
click on tables,
madam,
refresh. Yeah, just click on table and refresh. See here, student table is created. Next, what we need to do? We need to insert the data in the student table. For doing so, just right click here, edit top 200 rows. Here, what is the ID? ID is 1. Name of the student is any name you can give. Okay, name of the student is John. His branch is what? CSC. Age is 20. Email ID is john@gmail.com. Rule number 2, Sam. The next he belongs to IT. His age is 21. sam@gmail.com. In this way, we need to enter the data. 4 values will enter. What is the name of him? Mark. He belongs to PCE. His age is 22. mark@gmail.com. Okay. How to save this? Press Ctrl S. Ctrl S. Then next go to the tables. Just refresh it. Or else we'll go to the new query. Here select star from, what is the table name? Student. Okay. Select star from student. Then click on execute. See, these values are displayed here. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? How to create table and how to insert the values in the table using graphically.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is having any doubt, ma?
madam,
All
hello,
of,
madam.
all of you, it's clear, ma?
Hello, madam.
Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll create a table by using a command. Okay. By using command, we will create a table. Okay, can anyone explain me how to create a database? Gopi Reddy, please explain me.
Create database name.
Create database name. Okay, one more method.
Uh, One more method.
Create database name, semicolon, execute.
Semicolon execute. Both other methods are used to create the database. How to create a table?
Database.
Yeah, how to
Create
create a
table
table?
name.
Create table name. No, not like that. Graphically, I'm asking. With query, I did not explain yet. During graphical
Yeah.
representation.
So right click on table and
Select a new table.
select a new table and enter the top 200 values.
No. Then column name, that values will
Yes,
become.
first we are creating a columns. Yes.
Yeah. Next we'll see how to create a table using query. Okay, I'll close this. Or else I'll delete this. Just how to create a table using query. Create table name. So here the table name is faculty. Then here open bracket, then ID. Okay. ID is of which data type? Int. So here all the values should be not null. The value should not be null. So here we are writing not null. Then comma. Then enter. Name. Name is which data type ma? Which data type we can take?
Envarchar.
Character.
Nvarchar
Character.
is better than nchar. Why? Because by using
Just take the list.
nvarchar,
The
not less
characters.
space. Memory is not wasted. How much required, that much memory is allocated to the user. Memory is not wasted by using nvarchar. Nvarchar of size we need to mention here 20, 10 anything. Nvarchar, again the value should not be null, not null. Then comma. The next department. Department is also of which data type? Nvarchar. 20. Here also we should not allow the null values. The next last one is salary. Salary is of which data type? Salary is
Integer,
of
int.
int. Very
Int.
good. Int. It should not be null, not null. The next, what we need to do now? Select all this, then click on execute. Command completed successfully. Just go to tables, refresh here. See, faculty table is created. Can you see? Can you see ma? Here new table is created. dbo.faculty. Okay, then how to insert the values here? Using a query. By using which command we will insert the values in the database? Database or a table? By using which
Let's
command we'll
start
insert now? Insert. Okay. Insert
into values,
into faculty.
faculty
Table name.
values.
Faculty. Then what are the items here? ID. The next one is name.
Department salary.
Comma. Yeah. Department. Comma salary. Okay. The next into. Insert into faculty values. What is the ID value? ID value is 1. Then comma. String we need to string will just it is down arrow is okay. String we need to keep in single quotes or double quotes. So what name we will give here? Raj. Okay, then comma. 1 is what? ID. Raj is what? Name. No, department. Department is also string. So we need to write in single quotes. So department is which department here? Any department we can take. Here we will take AIML department. The next one,
Salary.
salary. Salary is 50,000. Okay. And what we need to do now? What we need to do? Select all the contents or just put a semicolon here. Then execute. It is showing some error. There is already an object named faculty in the database. Or else we'll select this. Just we'll select the content and we'll check once. One row is added. Okay. Just go to the tables, refresh it, then open the faculty table. See here, how many columns are present here? ID, name, department, salary. How to check this? Whether the value is created, how to check the table, which command? Which command we will use
Select
to
star
display
from
the table? Very good. Select the
faculty.
star
From
from
faculty.
faculty. Okay. Just select this command and click on execute. See, one row is added. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, madam.
Actually creating a table. Okay. Creating a table. How we are creating a table? How we are creating a table? Using graphical representation. Just right click on table, then select new table. After selecting new table, specify the column names and data type and null values. After this, what we'll do, ma? What we'll do? Just here above.
Insert the data.
No, next step. Next step. Just right click on heading. Just right
Save.
click. Yeah, this is important to save the table. Just right click and save the table. Right click on heading on SQL header and save the table. Next, what we did, ma? Next, what we did?
Edit. Right click on table and edit top 200 rows. Then we must enter
Yeah.
the data.
Okay. Next, right click on table, edit, right click on table and select edit top 200 rows. Then insert the data. After inserting data, how we need to check whether the data is inserted or not? By using a select command. Select star from table name. Is it clear, ma?
Yes,
Then
madam.
we'll copy this. Then what we'll do? We'll copy all this command. Using query, you can do this. Control C. And here, Control V. Okay. This font is very.
Please keep it as example, madam, so that
Okay.
let me. Yeah, example syntax.
Okay. Example. Is it clear, ma, till here? One thing we did not check, that how to rename the table using query. How to rename the database. How to rename the database? How to rename the database, ma? See, suppose we created a database. Database name is sample1. I want to change the database name as something else, like honey. Just now we have deleted one database name, honey. How to do that? Graphically, directly we can do like this. Just select the
By
database, right
using
click,
rename
rename.
command.
Yeah, by using alter.
Rename
Okay,
alter.
alter.
Rename.
Alter.
We cannot use rename for that, man.
Yeah, we can use
Alter.
alter database. Okay. What is the name of the present name of the database here? Sample. Then next, modify name equals to new name we have to give. Alter database name, then modify name equal to new database name. Just let's check. What happened? Rename also
Ma'am,
will
we
check.
must put that sample in brackets.
Brackets are okay. Let's check once. Sample in brackets. Okay. Or else you can keep the quotes. So it is coming in blue
Now it will execute.
color. Okay. Just select all the content here. Then click on execute. It's not coming. Why?
maybe equal symbol or
Not. We remove this. Still, it's not coming. Why?
Again, write modify name, ma'am. Modify name.
Modify
Remove
name.
that and again write. Yes, name.
Huh?
No, again you can write somewhere. Modify name.
Again, I should write. Why?
From my side, it is yes.
Modify name.
Now
Okay.
it will come.
Is there any spelling mistake?
No, you are
Sometimes you
using the same database, so that it is not accepting to changes, any changes. Keep that in master and try it, ma'am. It will come, I think so.
okay. Same database you are using,
Database,
so I'll use
not
system database.
accepting. Yes.
Okay. Here above we'll write use master database. Now it will come.
No, not there, ma'am. Not there. On
No, it
top
will work.
left side, it will work. Ma'am.
Yeah, it will work now. See here, master
Yeah.
database
Now,
is came.
yes,
Same
yes.
problem is arised.
Master database. Once we'll check with rename command. If we don't execute now, rename database name will write. It's not coming.
No, for
Check.
me it is working, ma'am.
For you it is working.
Yes.
Might be some problem in my system. It's okay, we'll use rename command. Rename database. Rename is not showing as keyword. It's okay, tomorrow we'll check about this rename command. Whatever we have studied till here, is it clear, ma? How to add a database. Now we'll check with
Yes.
installation. How to do the
Okay.
installation? How to do the installation? Anyone has the idea? How to install SQL Server? Anyone has already installed, ma? Installation.
Not good.
I will explain few steps how to install.
Yeah, okay, madam.
Installation of SQL Server. Here what you need to do means just open, go to Google. Here you type it as Microsoft SQL Server. Then enter. Then select this first link www.microsoft.com. Then just scroll down. Click on this download now. Okay. Developer version, express version. It is better to use the express version. Just click on this download. So the file gets downloaded. I think I have already downloaded this executable. See here. Then after downloading, just double click on it. All the steps I'll give, just try by yourself. If you are unable to install, then what I'll do is I'll uninstall in my system. Again I will show you how to install the SQL Server. Okay.
Okay, madam. Okay.
All the steps I'll give, just try. If you won't get, again what I'll do means I'll uninstall in my system and I'll show you. Just first what we need to do, go to Google, type it as Microsoft SQL Server. Then next select the link. Which link we need to select? www.microsoft.com. Okay, www.microsoft.com. Then next what we need to do, okay, just scroll down, here developer and express mode is available. Here developer and express mode is available. Download express mode. After successful downloading, double click on executables. What we need to do after successful downloading, double click on executables. Then what it will do, it will ask for privileges. It will ask for privileges. What is the meaning of privileges? Privileges means permission. Click yes. It will ask for permission. Then next, SQL Server 2019 window will be open. Okay. Then SQL Server 2019 window will be open. Then next, choose basic, custom. All the options are available. Basic, custom, developer, options are available. You have to choose basic. Then next, what we need to do, ma? Some terms and conditions will ask. Just accept that terms and agreement. I accept it. Then afterwards, installation location, it will ask. Just keep it as default. Installation location as default. Keep the installation location as default. Then click on installation. Just try today. If you are unable to do, I'll uninstall in my system. I'll show you. Why? Because practicing is very important. Just by listening the class, you can't understand. Okay, for all doing this, we need to have a internet connection. Without internet connection, we can't install the SQL Server. Okay. Then what we need to do? Click on. Then successfully installation has been successfully completed. One message will be displayed. Okay. Then one option is there. Just click on connect option. Follow these steps, easily you can install. Click on connect option. So what will happen? Click on connect option. A pop-up will be generated, which means SQL Server has been successfully installed. SQL Server is successfully installed. Next, what you need to do? The next step, you need to click on install. Click on install SMSS. SMSS stands for
SQL Server Management Systems Tool.
Yama. What ma? You need to install SMSS. Then here select what need to select? Select free download for SQL Server Management. Studio. Just click on this link.
Ma'am,
Then
click on
after,
install on SSMS.
yeah. Then
SMS
after,
is you wrote.
sorry, some option. Okay, SSMS. Sorry, spelling mistake.
Okay, madam.
Okay, next what will happen? So one link is downloaded. After downloading, double click on the setup. After downloading, what we need to do? Double click on the setup. It will also ask for the privileges. Just click yes. Then click on install. Then setup successfully. Setup installation will be completed successfully. Then how to open this? After successfully installation, just go to search bar, type it as Microsoft SQL Server. These are the steps we need to follow. For installation, just try to install it. If you have any problem, then I'll uninstall my software and I'll show you. Is it clear that rename command is
Okay,
not
madam.
working in my system? Is it working for you, ma? Someone said it is working in your system. Who is that?
Name command, ma'am. That is alter. Alter command. It is working on my system.
It is working for you. Why don't know it is not
Yeah,
working in the
alter
system? I'll check it
command that
once.
is working.
Yeah, you already installed
Yes, you
the
can write it
SQL Server.
again, ma'am.
Shall I check
Yes, yes, ma'am.
once? Don't know why it's not coming. We'll create one more database, then we'll rename it. Okay, one database is created. So this is the happy. Then we'll rename here. What was the command? Alter database, modify name. equals to, we should be in sample database here. Modify the name of happy as something like sample2. Why it is showing a database name we did not wrote? What is the name of the database here? Happy. Just select this complete text, click on execute. The database name sample2 has been set. Just go to databases, refresh. See, happy database is changed to sample2. Now it's working. Now it's working. Everyone can observe here. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me
Now it's
once.
working. We have successfully renamed the happy database by sample2. Okay. We'll add this also. Add some text here. Renaming a database. Just I'll copy this. Control C. Control V. Full text is copied. Delete. Control C. Control V. Is it clear? Any doubts? Just I got confused. It was not changing. Is it clear today's class?
Yes, madam.
Yes, yes,
What
it's
what we have
clear.
studied today? What we have studied today? We have studied how to create database of two types. Okay, whichever type you like, you can create a database
Create
of two.
database, create table, alter database, alter table, and
Yeah.
rename the table
No, no.
or database. Not table, database.
Yeah, graphical representation of table. Then we have inserted the data into the table by using graphical representation and by using query.
Query.
Okay, practice all these commands. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, madam.
Give me the index that which topics are you are covered in these classes for the next
Yeah,
steps.
yeah, definitely. I will give you. Okay, okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you so
Ma'am,
much.
I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
please
Please
share
tell me, ma.
drive access, not like that. WhatsApp drive
What?
access.
I am not getting you.
Please share this content in drive access, madam.
Why?
Google Drive.
In Google Drive you want. WhatsApp, why
Just
you are unable to open? You are unable to open in WhatsApp. Just you need
ma'am.
to install Microsoft Office, I think. Yes or no? Or else you people share your email IDs. Okay.
Yes, madam. Yes,
In
yes.
the what in this group, I'll share to your email IDs.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
But WhatsApp too, okay, ma'am. You can share either in WhatsApp or Drive, that is okay.
But few members are having trouble in accessing the data.
In both, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
In
in both
both,
I will. Okay, no problem. In WhatsApp, I'll share. If possible, you share with your friends. Okay? Or else tomorrow
no
I'll take
need,
the
no,
email
no,
IDs.
no.
No, no, tomorrow I'll take the email IDs. and I'll share on both. Okay.
Okay.
Today one day you adjust.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so
Okay.
much for joining.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Okay. Thank you.